on, let's delve into how AI is optimizing resource management. A captivating case study is precision agriculture, where AI is proving to be a game changer. For instance, Blue River Technology's innovative See and Spray technology. This technology uses advanced machine learning algorithms to identify and spray only the weeds in a field. It's like having a smart weed warrior at your disposal. The beauty of this technology is that it drastically reduces the amount of chemicals used. We're not talking about small percentages here. We're talking about a reduction of up to 90%. That's a significant decrease, wouldn't you agree? And it doesn't stop there. By minimizing chemical use, we're also preserving the health of our soil, which is vital for sustainable farming. So you see, AI's precise identification and targeting capabilities are not only saving resources, but also promoting a healthier environment. It's a win-win situation for both farmers and Mother Nature. Finally, let's look at how AI is helping combat climate change. By predicting patterns and trends, AI assists in formulating strategies to reduce carbon emissions. A notable example is Google's DeepMind. This ingenious system uses AI to manage the cooling of its data centers, reducing energy consumption by a remarkable 40%. The power to predict, optimize, and conserve is being harnessed like never before. The fight against climate change now has a powerful ally: artificial intelligence. So, what does the future hold for AI and environmental sustainability? The potential is vast. AI can offer insights into sustainable development like never before, helping us make informed decisions and devise effective strategies. Yet, there's much to be done. We need more research, more innovation, and more dedication to harness this potential fully. From predicting climate change to managing resources, the possibilities are endless. The future is in our hands, and AI gives us the tools to make it a sustainable one.